down? Are you down?
I'm so freaking tired. I'm in the hotel room. We played till like 2 o'clock this morning. Woke up to go to breakfast because my mom. And now it's like 11 something, and we're gonna try and catch an earlier bus home. So yeah, I just left her downstairs. I'm completely out of money now. It lasted me. Hopefully we don't have to stay and catch this later bus, because then I'm really gonna be sitting here looking stupid all day. But yep. What has been happening? Today is Tuesday. Saturday, I just went to the movies. I went to go see Insidious 3. That was pretty good. Sunday, I went to brunch with my friends, and you would think I would have recorded that, but I didn't. Ugh, and I wasn't feeling that great, so I think they went to go to a hookah spot after that, and I was gonna go, but then I couldn't have smoked. And then yesterday, Monday, we came up here. Ugh, I'm about to play Candy Crush. Like, I've gotten back into that. I'm doing pretty good, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm like torn. My hair is looking very crazy. It's not as full as it could be, this puff, because I was stretching my hair in those twists. So now I'm torn between whether or not I should wash my hair tonight, or if I should keep it like wild and just try to pick it out more tomorrow, because I have a very early flight in the morning, and I would love old hair rather than new freshly washed hair. I'm gonna have to go back in there and get my coat and stuff. But yes, I'm torn between that, and I'm about to go to the movies to finally see Proud Mary. I was not able to go this weekend just because there was no time for me to try and squeeze that in, even though I wanted to contribute to opening weekend sales. Just got back from Atlantic City yesterday. So yeah, like I said, about to go see Proud Mary, gonna walk up there. Today I figured I could, not wear my sweatpants for the 18th day in a row. And I have on this shirt that I got from the Apollo. One time, I think it was the first time I visited for some event, and they had like a swag bag, and I really like this shirt. Let me actually show you a better view of it. So ignore our mini Christmas tree in the back. It's still wrapped up, waiting to go downstairs. But yeah, it just says Apollo on the sleeves. And I think that's it. It says something on the back, but nothing important. So yeah, I'm about to walk up to the movie theater, see Proud Mary. I don't think I'm gonna get anything to eat. You know what? I may go to Panera and get something small, maybe a cup of soup or something, because I love their French onion soup, and I need to finish up this gift card that I have. And that is it. Today I'm excited, so I put this on Twitter, but I figured I'll share this with you guys too. So I want the majority of my income to come from my blog, which, if you didn't know, let me get my purse. I'm pretty sure I've said that several times before, but that's where I want the majority of my income to come from. And I just secured my 4th campaign this month, and this was just through me, pitching a brand. Not necessarily random, but pitching a brand, and they're like, yeah. And I realized I undersold myself when they were like, sure, you're in our budget. Like, we could do that, no problem. And it's like, I need to double my price then. But that was my 4th one for this month, so I need to like tally up how much money I'll make for my blog alone or the little campaigns I've done in January, which will be the most I've ever made. Shoot, period. As well, it'll be less than I made all of last year, but as far as like 1 month, I'm doing pretty well, and obviously it's not the best I could do, and I want to do much better, but this is just exciting because I woke up to an email from YouTube saying that channels with less than 1,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 hours of view time. I hope my face isn't ashy. Let me go put on some cream. But yeah, we can't monetize our content. And I'm so confused, and I feel like it has something to do with all the Logan Pauls and the people using the N-word, and now they gotta like watch their content more closely. YouTube does. But why are you penalizing smaller channels? Like, I just don't understand it. They're making it so hard. So I need to put all my money on myself. I'm betting on myself, and I don't want to rely on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. I don't want to have to rely on these platforms that I do not own. They could disappear tomorrow. Like, I own my blog. I own my name. I own my brand. So, like I've always said, I wanted to make the most money from there, but I am, like, really gunning for it because I don't even have YouTube as an eye anymore. And still going to be uploading for sure. Like, I'm not going to cut back on my content. If anything, I'll be posting more. Why are these crumbs in this chair? If anything, I'll be posting more, and now that I'll be traveling, Atlantic City did not count. Now that I'll be traveling and I'm about to go on my long-term trip, then I'll have way more content for you guys, but it has just been a mess. I don't appreciate this, and I feel like they're not looking out for us. Like, that you clearly don't want us to use your platform, so that's how I take it. But, yeah, let me go to the movies, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so I decided to wash my hair. Clearly, I don't think I'm going to pull it back into a ponytail because I don't want it to be too stretched. Now, I'm about to. It's time to pack. Alright. So I'm going to lay out my stuff and then stick it in here. I usually put my shoes and like other gadgets. Listen to my mother. Usually put my shoes and other gadgets over here and my clothes over here. This is just another toiletry bag. Probably put my makeup in there. And another. Okay, so outfits laid out. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple because I don't do that several outfit changes a day thing. So I'm gonna show you. So here are my 4 pair of shoes in this bag, and then I'm gonna wear another on the plane. I don't even need all of these, but I made extra. Outfit 1, workout outfit, and I can like switch that up into different variations. 2, sleepwear. 3 and 4. So let's get it in here. Come on. So everything is in here, and believe it or not, I fit 1 month of clothes into here, and this time I'll be going for 2 months. But look at how 4 days just easily fill that up. So usually I pack smarter and roll things, but when it's just a short trip, I just go ahead, fold it, and place it in there. Now, I need to make sure I have like deodorant and stuff, and that's it.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we